I think it's clear from the report from ad hoc committee with advice from international consultants that this airport is risky for the country because, as I say, it's about 99% in favor of foreign interests. So it could, jeopardize or risk one of the financial position. So that's why we abandoned it. Of course, down the line, we could probably look at international airport, but it will have to be a better agreement than this. I mean, this I, as a layman, can just read it and know that something is wrong, very seriously wrong with it. I'm surprised that our legal people allow it to go that far, but we had to stop it because even some of the financial people, even the Reserve Bank people, are having serious concern about this agreement. So, of course, maybe one or two MPs are going to benefit from it, but not the country as a whole. So we had to stop it.